Hello everybody and welcome to Time Saving channel. In today's video we are going to explain how to remove chroma from your video using Adobe Premiere Pro. Stay tuned and you will see how to do that in a very simple steps. First of all, this is interface of Adobe Premiere Pro. If you don't have that interface, you can simply go here and workspace and then reset. Then you will have that interface. This is to work more easier. Let us bring any of our videos which has chroma in the background. Okay, we have this one here. Let us go for effects. If you still don't have effects panel, you can select that and select all panels. Then effects will come in the right side as we see right here. We will close this, we don't need that now. Okay, we will search for ultra and we will find ultra key right here. We can select that and place it on top of our video and nothing will happen. Why? We have to select the color to be removed. We will select and click here, then simply the color will be removed and you can use any background as you like. If we check alpha, you will find that still some colors are remaining. It's not completely removed because the lighting was not good. So how we gonna solve this problem? You can select aggressive, still problem is there. So under shadows, shadow, let us bring one photo and see how the problem is appearing here. If we keep that photo here, we should swap it so that we can appear in the background. And let us resize it. Okay, we can see some different colors in the sides as we see here. So how we gonna solve this? Okay, let us take that image out or hide it. Then we can go for shadow and then reduce the amount of shadows. And you will find that our image became very clear. Let us check that with alpha option. Then we can see that totally removed, only small portion is here. We can still go more. And now we have a clean background which we can use for any footage as we wish. So it is a simple steps, but little bit complicated if you don't have good lighting for your chroma. I hope you like this video. If you are interested in more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel so that you will not miss anything. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in another video. Bye.